Yeah, this case is being heard with the election for governor just about 3 weeks away now. Lawyers for the state argue that's too late to change the constitutional process, to change the rules. Opponents say the rules discriminate against black voters. A federal lawsuit challenging how Mississippi's governor is elected. 4 voters filed suit. They claim the state constitution violates the U.S. constitutional principle of one man, one vote. They want a judge to throw out what they call a bias rule.
This rule was established in 1890 as part of a constitutional convention to discriminate against African American voters. That policy is still in place 130 years later.
At issue are provisions in the state constitution. They require candidates for governor and all statewide offices to win the popular vote and a majority of the 122 House legislative districts to get elected. The state argues it's too close to the election to change the rules.
There's an argument today to maintain the status quo, which feels a little bit rich, given that the status quo was a constitutional convention with the express purpose of maintaining white supremacy.
The strength of your case?
They don't, no comment on pending litigation.
Lawyers for the state tight-lipped after the hearing. They asked the judge to dismiss the case for several reasons, including voters who filed the suit don't have standing, and the case raises political questions which judges shouldn't weigh in on.
This is a complicated case. There are a lot of issues at play. Clearly, the court is struggling with them. But at the end of the day, the plaintiffs deserve to have their constitutional right to vote protected.
Now, federal judge Dan Jordan, who heard arguments today, didn't say how soon he could make a ruling. Whatever his decision, the case is likely to be appealed to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans. For now, we're live at the federal courthouse in downtown Jackson. Ross Adams, 16 WAPT News.